Guys, welcome back to my channel. So you're probably wondering why I am pouring over this already existing acrylic pour. I did this one a couple days ago and I just wasn't crazy about how it turned out, so I just thought I'd go ahead and pour over top of it instead of wasting it. This is a wooden circle that I got from Lowe's. I think it was roughly $7, which isn't bad. And what I went ahead and did is I used Envirotext resin, and I did a 1-to-1 ratio of that into, I think, 5 different cups. I think I used 5 different colors. So after I did the 1-to-1 ratio, I went ahead and poured enough paint of each color into each cup until it was the shade that I wanted it. So I went ahead and did that, and then I layered all of the colors into a cup, and I poured that onto the wood circle, as you could see a couple seconds ago. And what I'm doing now is I took a hairdryer and I'm just blowing the paint out to the ends of the circle just to spread the paint out, and I actually really like the effect that this gave me. Yeah. I went ahead and let this resin tray dry for about 2 days, and for this next part, what you're going to need is 2 handlebars. I purchased mine from Lowe's and I think they were like $2 a piece. And then you're also going to need a tape measure, some type of Sharpie or marker to mark where you want the holes at on the tray, and you're also going to need a screwdriver and a drill. So for this part, I'm just measuring out where I'm going to be drilling the holes. This handlebar is 3 inches apart, so I went ahead and placed the holes, or the marker, 3 inches apart. And as you can tell, you want to make sure you're like triple checking this, because I'm the worst at measuring stuff correctly, as you could see. So I just making sure that the holes are exactly 3 inches apart and that they're also the same width from like the end of the tray, which is what I'm checking right now. And after this, I'm going to go ahead and get my drill and drill these holes. So the holes ended up matching up perfectly. I was super happy about that, and this is where that screwdriver comes in handy. I'm just going to go ahead and screw these screws into the handlebar. And I do want to add, I forgot to mention this earlier, that when I was done with the acrylic pour and I let it dry, I went ahead and took black paint and I painted the back of this tray along with the sides. I just liked how it looked better instead of leaving it you that these screws were a little hard to screw in, but obviously I ended up getting them, so it worked out in the end. So now that I got the one side screwed in, I'm just measuring out the opposite side, which this was a little bit difficult. I ended up getting my husband to help me just because I don't know why I was having such a hard time eyeballing to make sure that they were like lined up right. So he helped me out with that, and it took us a little while, but we ended up getting it, and the end result is really, I don't know, it came out really nice. So I'm gonna stop talking now and let you guys finish watching the video. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more.